Hi, I'm Well Guru. Today's topic is fasting, the voluntary abstention from some or all foods, and sometimes drinks, for a defined period of time. Fasting has been practiced for thousands of years for religious, cultural, and health reasons, and it comes in several forms. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, for example, having just one meal a day. Time-restricted eating means eating only within a specific window each day. It's very similar to intermittent fasting but typically follows a consistent daily schedule. Prolonged fasting refers to fasting for 24 hours or more, usually lasting anywhere from 2 to 7 days or longer, and should be done under expert supervision. Religious or cultural fasting follows specific rules and durations based on tradition and belief. I'd like to share some research papers from the past couple of decades that have laid the foundation for fasting as a key component of well-being. Physical activity, intermittent fasting, and intellectual and social engagement activate adaptive responses that support cognitive health and mood, especially as we age. Modern sedentary lifestyles, combined with constant food availability and reduced physical effort, have eliminated key stimuli the brain evolved to expect. This not only impairs brain function but also contributes to many of today's common diseases. To maintain optimal brain health, it's essential to regularly challenge the brain through physical exercise, fasting, and mental stimulation. In 1982, scientists compared the effects of two feeding regimens on rats. One group was fed freely at any time and in any quantity, while the other group was fed every other day. The rats in the every other day group lived 83% longer, had a 75% longer growth period, maintained lower body weight, and exhibited slower aging. In the first group, there was a positive correlation between lifespan and growth rate. In the every other day group, no significant relationship was found between lifespan and body weight. In 2004, a group of scientists published a couple of papers demonstrating the vital role of autophagy, a natural cellular process in which cells break down and recycle their own components, particularly during periods of stress or nutrient deprivation. This process helps remove damaged proteins and organelles, recycles nutrients during fasting or starvation, and provides protection against diseases such as cancer, neurodegeneration, and infections. In essence, the study offered strong scientific support for the health benefits of fasting by showing how it activates this essential cellular cleanup and repair mechanism. In 2014, a paper titled Fasting, Molecular Mechanisms and Clinical Applications was published. It demonstrated that fasting reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, improves energy utilization, and enhances cellular protection. By activating stress resistance pathways, fasting can extend lifespan. In animal studies, it has been shown to help prevent diseases such as diabetes, cancer, heart conditions, and neurodegeneration. In humans, it supports weight loss and improves conditions like high blood pressure, asthma, and arthritis. Overall, fasting shows promise for slowing aging and preventing disease, without the side effects associated with long-term dieting. In 2017, another study affirmed that intermittent fasting strengthens the body's resilience to stress and disease. It helps preserve and sharpen brain function as we age, enhancing neural flexibility and offering powerful protection against cognitive decline and neurological disorders. In summary, fasting offers a range of health benefits by triggering the body's natural repair and stress resistance processes. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, improves metabolism and energy efficiency, and enhances cellular protection. Fasting has been linked to better blood sugar control, a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer, and improved brain health. It may also promote longevity and support weight loss, all without the side effects of long-term calorie restriction. Thank you very much. This is Well Guru. I'll be back soon to talk more on the topic. See you then.